Welcome back. You are given the root of a binary tree. The task is to return the in-order traversal of the tree's node. In-order traversal means means visiting the nodes in the following order. Where is the one here? It's basically like left, the left subtree, after that the current node, and after that the current subtree. So if you look at this one here, it's like the left subtree, and the current node, and after that the end subtree again. We can give it a look here. The left subtree, okay, and the current node, and after that the right subtree. So yeah, this is how it works. We can use like a recursive approach to traverse the tree in order manner. Basically, we need to do three things. The first thing is to define a helper function. We call it traverser or traverse. After that, we pass case, like if the node is null, we stop return anything. And after that, we start the recursive case, like we call traverser on the left subtree, which is node.left. After that, we add the node.value to the result list. And after that, we call the traverse subtree on the right. So that's it. It's pretty simple one. Okay, let's see how we can do this one. We create a result array, which will be an empty array here. I would create a function. I will call it const traverse, which will have like node in it. And this one, I would say if node equals null. If that was the case, that means we are in a base case, so we return nothing here. So we stop executing the function. So the base case, if the node is null, we stop calling the function. After that, we visit the left subtree. We call traverse again, and we visit the left subtree, so it will be node.left. And after that, we add the current node's value. So result dot push. It will be node dot val. And after that, we call the traverse. We visit the right subtree. So let's copy this line. Right. And yeah, we will call this traverse on the root. And I guess we should return result. And that's it. It's a pretty simple one. It's a really simple approach. But if you know how to use recursive functions, it will be really simple for you. If you don't know, it will be like a nightmare. Oh, we submit it. It's okay. It works. It works, and it was a pretty easy one. And I would say, like in any coding interviews, if we have trees and you have to find that there's a lot of repetitive work that looks quite complicated, I guess the solution lies on a recursive function. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future problems.